International recording artist Alkaline, along with New Era Production in association with the dancehall artists, are pleased to announce a successful staging of the New Rules Festival that was held in Jamaica just a few hours ago. The festival, which was held on July the 2nd at Independence Park, otherwise known as the National Stadium Car Park, saw 1,000 turning out just in order to get a glimpse of their favorite performing artists. The initial staging back in 2007 saw over 30,000 patrons in concert, all of whom witnessed Alkaline performing following his release of his new album, Level Unlock. Since its inception, the New Rules Festival have executed staging in Miami, Florida, and New York City, and after a hiatus, it's back to its roots right here in Jamaica. This year, New Rules Festival saw acts such as Elephant Man, Idonia, Maca Diamond, Skeng, Javelani, and the guest star himself, Alkaline, performing alongside many others. The gates for the event opened at 5 p.m. and showtime was slated for 8 p.m. until a 12 o'clock cutoff time. Links to Below 7 TV was at hand, and we have these clips to share with you right now, right here on the program.
Welcome to Links W07 TV Dynamic Video Scoop.
Give me the numbers, when me done pop, wicked that I mash me lungs up, make it trust up, make a single link Kadisha, go get the combo, she She a says she love the sashi, cause it's a jumbo. Run up on you, when they think the problem, yes it's bitches fast and come and it's cost a permanent. I'm in the big split, give me the numbers. When me done pop, wicked that I mash me lungs up. Make it trust up, make a single in Kadisha. Go get the combo. She a says she love the sashi, cause it's a jumbo.
Talk about forever, baby. When you talk about love, I gave you my word. Stick to my guns. Believe me when I tell you, baby, that it's just because you don't understand the full intent of my bliss. You know the one, yeah? Are you ready for that now? Are you here for the long run? Long enough.
Rich, for them to be rich. They must have taken the old white man rich.
Rich man, oh rich man, come out and play. Which one are they? I love that.
What do you
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.